Pipe fitting is exactly what it sounds like. We put pipes together. We thread pipe, we groove pipe, we weld pipe, we solder pipe, we press pipe, we braze pipe in one fashion or other.
We deal with non-domestic water, so we deal with steam, fire protection systems, and we deal with heating and cooling.
There's 5 trades inside of our trade. Refrigeration pipe fitters, your mechanical equipment service pipe fitters, your sprinkler fitters, your welders, and your pipe fitter steam fitter. But it doesn't end there. Pipe fitting is the types of systems that we're working on, whether it's fire suppression, chilled water, process piping.
We have so many different factions that there's something for everyone.
A typical work day is there is no typical work day. Every day is different. That's what I love about it. I'm constantly going to different places, meeting different people, learning new things every day.
The hours are typically from 7 to 3:30. On the service side, you may be working by yourself or with a partner.
So I do service work. At the end of the previous day, they tell me where I'm going to start the next morning. I talk to the customer, diagnose the issue that they're having, make repairs as necessary, and then I call a dispatcher and they give me the next problem, drive there and repeat the same process.
For the building trade side, you would probably be reporting to a job site.
So initially on a job site, your first task would be, laying out your piping route, establishing where your pipe supports are going to be installed. Then once the pipe supports are installed, then you start putting the pipe in.
Here at Local 120, we have 2 apprenticeship programs. Our first program is our building trades pipe fitter program. It's a 5-year program that covers pipe fitting, welding, sprinkler fitting, and industrial mechanical type steam fitting.
They send you to work, you go to work every day. Then once every 2 weeks, you go to school, and pretty much you get paid for the whole day as if you was at work.
So as an apprentice, my typical week is on a school week, but we're learning over math, we're learning over how to find offsets. We're just learning the things about the trade as far as that we'll need out in the field. You're learning so much, and the journeymen here are willing to help you. As long as you're willing to show up and to learn, it moves really quickly.
And you're very well helped on the job as an apprentice. You're very kind of taken by the hand and shown what to do and everything like that. There's a very strong sense of community.
The second program is our MES, Mechanical Equipment Service Program.
Our apprenticeship is 7 years long. We come to class once a week after work for 4 to 5 hours. We probably split it about 50-50. Most of the instructors like to do half the time out of the book and half the time in the lab.
We will teach you everything you need to know, and you will learn on the job what exactly you need to know with the equipment and tools.
Some of the challenges that you encounter in the trade is it's physically demanding. Your body has to keep up, especially being a pipe fitter. Pipe is not light.
I think once you learn how to use leverage and you learn what your limitations are and what you might need help with, it gets easier.
Another challenge that you encounter is being comfortable in a lift 25 feet in the air.
Everything that we do is up in the air, whether it's 20 feet up in the air or I've been as high as 180 feet up in the air. I've worked in confined spaces, I've worked with respirators. That could be a challenge for some people.
The work conditions in the pipe fitting industry can vary.
You're going to be outside, and whatever outside has to offer, then that's what you're going to get. My trade involves a lot of math. You're going to deal with fractions every day because you're measuring.
The type of person that's going to be successful in the trade is curious, likes to get their hands dirty, likes to know how things work, is willing to learn every day.
It's your responsibility to learn. It's your responsibility to get to work on time and to put in full effort to get the job done.
Since I've been a pipe fitter, I bought a home at 23. It is definitely a lucrative career.
If you're thinking about becoming a pipe fitter, I would say do it. Come join our brother and sisterhood. We all help each other, and we're all like a big family here.
There is nowhere near enough women in the trade. It is demanding work, it is male-dominated, but it's not impossible to do.
You like learning every day, you like making a great wage, and like being treated with respect, come be a pipe fitter, man. It'd be the best decision you ever made in your life.